Season 3 for Modern Warfare went live earlier today, and just minutes ago, Treyarch made a tweet talking about an update that's coming for the Zombies mode. This could be really big and really help improve the way this game is played, because right now, it's a bit of a problem. They tweeted saying yesterday, Treyarch and Sledgehammer met with creators to showcase everything coming to Season 3, including in-season Zombies content and changes. Today, we're confirming 2 changes coming at a later date. One is they're going to double the stash size from 10 to 20, and then the big one is Xfill Schematic cooldowns. This has been a major issue with this game. They've given us awesome schematics that we would go out there and scavenge and earn, and then make us wait for 4 days for them to cool down to use them again. Like, that's the worst thing I've ever seen. I don't like it because I feel like just having to wait is not a fun challenge, and I feel like it takes some of the control away from the player and take some of the playability away as well. This was one thing that really needed some adjustments, and it looks like they are giving us those in the mid-season update. They also posted on Twitter, players may have already seen in-game notifications about the Xfill Schematic cooldowns when successfully extracting. This is unfortunately part of a future update that went live a bit too early. If you go to their bugs reporting page, you can see it there. It says the successful Xfill end of match flow includes mentions of the unreleased Xfill Schematic cooldown mechanic. Treyarch responds, "Thank you for your reports. The Xfill Schematic cooldown mechanic will arrive in a future update later in Season 3. In this future update, players will also be awarded reduced schematic time in addition to reduced ensured weapon time when successfully exfiltrating." If you go into game right now and then successfully exfil, at the end report you'll see on the right there it says reduced ensured weapon and schematic time. I almost feel like they put this in there intentionally because it's like there's a lot of bitching about this game, so they're like, hey, yeah, we got stuff coming, so just chill. Unfortunately, the schematic cooldown reduced time isn't working right now. It's on screen, but it's, yeah, like they said, it's not going to be live until mid-season. I went and checked it and it's definitely not working. I still have 42 freaking hours on my cooldowns. So this is definitely a step in the right direction to help to improve the quality of this game. Is it a little late? Yes. Should it already have been implemented? Absolutely. It makes me wonder if the devs never intended to have these cooldowns on these schematics, but now they see the state of the game and how strained players feel with these cooldowns, and they're making changes. The next important question is, are we going to be able to control the amount of cooldown that we get on these schematics? Is it going to be based on essence like it is for ensured weapons? Hopefully we will have some control over this cooldown, because right now it's making players feel like they are powerless, and it provides no fun whatsoever. There is nothing worse than feeling powerless as a player. It absolutely will demotivate you from wanting to play. In my opinion, they made a mistake with this mode. They have starved us of playtime and also points. I feel like they should have alleviated one of those, because when you think about round-based zombies, we start with no points and we're starved of points, but you are not limited in the amount of time you can spend in that game to make the money you need to. The containment levels are definitely helping with the point deficit, and hopefully this schematic cooldown will help as well. We'll have to see. Also, Tombstone solo method might be gone mid-season with this next update. I wonder if the devs care or even are aware of that there could be backlash from the community. A lot of people are going to be upset. I see people that I play with that said if Tombstone's gone, they're never playing again. There's no point. So yeah, I wonder if they think about that, and is this schematic cooldown maybe the answer for them patching the Tombstone, and they know that's coming, so they're trying to give us something to help. For me, I love this mode, and I think it has a lot of potential, and I feel like it's more in a beta stage. Like, they're still learning what works well in this mode. It needs some tuning, and it could be really awesome. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you next video.